Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Tool Use. Empowering your agents with external tools. Welcome. Today, we're diving into how AI agents, like our super smart language models, LLMs, move beyond just talking and start doing. Think of an AI's brain as being incredibly smart, full of knowledge, but without hands. AI tool use is about giving that brilliant brain tools, like calculators or web browsers, so it can actually interact with the world and perform actions. This empowers our AI to be much more than just a chatbot. It becomes an active problem solver. Before tools, let's meet the brain of our operation. A large language model, LLM. Imagine an LLM as the most brilliant student you've ever met. Who has read every single book in the world? It knows facts, can write stories, and understands complex ideas. From a developer's perspective, we interact with this brain by sending it text prompts, and it responds with text. It's incredibly good at processing information it already knows. But it can't, for example, look up today's weather or calculate a complex sum it hasn't specifically memorized. If our LLM is the super smart student, then external tools are its hands, the gadgets and resources it needs to actually do things. These are pieces of software or APIs, application programming interfaces, that we, as developers, create or connect. For example, a calculator is a tool. A web browser is a tool. A program that checks stock prices is a tool. We're essentially giving our AI access to specialized functions it can't perform internally with its brain alone. Why can't the super smart LLM just do everything? Well, even the smartest human can't calculate a square root instantly or remember every current news headline without help. LLMs have similar limitations. 1. No real-time data. They only know what they were trained on, which is historical. They can't browse the live internet. 2. No complex math. While they understand numbers, doing precise, multi-step calculations is not their strong suit. That's what calculators are for. 3. No interaction. They can't click buttons on a website, send emails, or run code on a computer. As developers, we bridge these gaps by providing tools. So, how does an AI decide to use a tool? It's a structured process, almost like a human thinking. 1. Receive request. You give the AI a task. E.g., what's the weather in London? Single quote. 2. Think and plan. The AI's brain, LLM, analyzes the request and realizes it needs real-time weather data. It knows it has a weather tool available. 3. Select and use tool. It decides to use the weather tool and asks it for London weather. 4. Execute tool. The weather tool, our code, goes out, gets the data, e.g., from a weather API, and returns it to the AI. 5. Formulate response. The AI's brain then takes that data and crafts a friendly, natural language answer for you. This sequence makes the AI incredibly powerful and versatile. As developers, what kinds of tools can we connect to our AI? Calculator tool, for precise mathematical operations. Web search tool, to find up-to-the-minute information on the internet. Code interpreter tool, to write and execute programming code, e.g., Python, for data analysis or complex logic. Custom API tools. Imagine you have an internal company database. You can build a tool, an API wrapper, that lets the AI query that database, retrieve specific information, or even trigger actions like sending an email. The possibilities are endless. This is where you come in. As a developer, you're not just prompting the AI, you're the architect of its capabilities. Your tasks include identifying needs, Figuring out what actions or data the AI needs to access externally. Building tools. Writing the actual code for these tools, e.g., Python functions, API integrations that perform specific tasks. Defining tools. Describing these tools to the AI in a structured way, often with JSON schemas, so the AI knows what each tool does and how to use it. Connecting tools. Setting up the plumbing that allows the AI to call your tool, pass it information, and receive results. You're giving your AI a whole new set of skills. By empowering our AI with external tools, we're moving beyond simple conversations to creating truly capable AI agents. These agents can not only understand but also act upon information, interact with various systems, and solve complex problems in the real world. This approach makes AI incredibly versatile and opens up new frontiers for automation, personalized assistance, and innovative applications across all industries. Get ready to build some amazing things. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.